I did a presentation in Austin last week, and we had this very conversation, which rolled into another one of our presentations, actually, that Alex and I will be doing a part of. This is reliability on the model, right? It's fantastic that you have a technology in this kind of, autonomous robotics conversation ongoing in construction, but think about the quality of the information you need to feed it to execute on what's there, right? You have to plan for that. You can't just start doing stuff and later and say, oh, we're going to feed that in the robot that's going to lay out the walls and floor penetrate. Oh, wait, you're going to do what? No, you got to look at the drawings, right? That's your hurdle in design, bid, build, right? But when you have that whole team approach that we talked about, you're saying, hey, as the design builder, we want to be able to leverage robotics on the project, right? This has become part of our DNA, right? This is how we do work. We're augmenting it with this other technology. So how can we plan for, being able to do this? And when can we rely on that information? Now you're pool planning and thinking, hey, we're fast tracking this project. We want to do this. Now, when is this information going to be, kind of solidified and tied down so we can start to use it while you're still progressing other things? And that's just that one little conversation becomes really the idea of why this needs to be so holistic throughout the project delivery approach, and, engaging the people who can contribute that. But also, it's not just about engaging them, but educating your peers on the team to do it. And you mentioned Alex, and I always love, I should know the guy's name, who's on the slide with all the computers, and one of his colleagues.
Yeah.
And he does such a good job about saying, we got to meet people where they're at, right? You have to impart on them that the technology can help them. It's not about me doing something alongside you with your job. It's them embracing that workflow and those tools to better do their job. And he always speaks about it really, really well. And I think that's so true. And you started touching on that before. That's where we're going to see success. That's where teams are going to drive value for the work that they're doing, have that. At DBIA, we talk about using these, people, process, and technology to drive design excellence, to increase quality and productivity, and improve lifecycle cost. Those, we can achieve those goals when we take that approach.
Yeah, and you're putting the people together to drive it forward, and we will never get away from garbage in, garbage out. Right?
Yeah,
we've got to fix that. Computers can't fix it for us. That's up to us to fix.